Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, the risk for thunderstorms and some strong is there, but not until late tonight. We're thinking after midnight while we're sleeping, pre-dawn, very early tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, fog is an issue once again, especially along the South Shore. But look at Providence. Now we're looking from East Providence out towards Providence, and normally in this shot you would see the skyline, and you don't see it. So, and it's no surprise here, the humidity levels, which really arrived here on Friday, very high, remain high dew points, helping to produce some of the low clouds and fog. And New Bedford for now, visibility not too bad, but you do have low clouds and some cooler temperatures now, upper 60s to lower 70s. Some partial sun, still hazy sun, still trying to hang on the northern part of the state where it's milder. You can see with the breeze off the water and the fog, temperatures on the South Shore, upper 60s to lower 70s. So on our threat tracker, this is just kind of a quick graphical look to give you a heads up as to what's ahead. Early this evening, no big concerns with the exception of perhaps some of that fog along the South Shore, but it becomes dense overnight, and then the thunderstorm risk starts to increase around midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, and some may be locally strong. That's the reason why we're in a weather alert. Any late night travelers need to be mindful of this, along with some of that reduced visibility, and this will spill over into tomorrow, but only for the early morning hours. So scattered thunderstorms early in the morning. Dry periods too. In fact, we're seeing signs that the afternoon will actually be mainly dry. The best chance for any precipitation would be during the morning, especially early, and the best chance for dense fog would be early in the morning as well. So locally on the satellite photo, you see clouds increasing, but no precipitation yet, but it's just off to our west. Severe thunderstorm warning right in here, north and west of Hartford, but this is the Hudson Valley of New York, and you can see the generous area of rain and thunder. There's one severe thunderstorm well north and west of Hartford. We've got our lightning tracker turned on, a lot of lightning strikes. But this whole system will take its time arriving here, and that's why we think it's going to be after midnight. All part of a much larger system that we're tracking. If you watch the motion of both the clouds and the precipitation across the Great Lakes, play this back one more time, and you can see how the air is moving in the upper part of the atmosphere counterclockwise. So we call that an upper level low. They're slow movers, and we've had so many of these during the month of June, unfortunately. So this one is going to take several days to pass through, but it should be gone by Friday. So now till Thursday, each day there's the chance for a scattered shower or thunderstorm. The tricky part is trying to nail down the timing. So with this next batch that's arriving, feel confident that it'll be sometime between midnight and about 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. As far as the severity, in other words, not just thunderstorms in general, but rather the severe, the risk is marginal, but it's there. On a scale from 1 to 5, the 5 being the highest, we're at sort of a level 1. So marginal, but still need to be respected as far as potential for a severe thunderstorm. The risk is much higher in the areas in yellow and brown, but we're going to watch it very closely during the overnight. You want to check back with Steve Montegrano early tomorrow morning. So when we jump ahead to overnight tonight, you start to see some isolated storms becoming more widespread in here. 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, take you into 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, still a leftover thunderstorm. But then notice how quiet it gets during the afternoon, 2 o'clock, some breaks of sun through the cloud cover, not nearly as widespread with the thunder, only to have it return though by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. That's due to that upper level low that's nearby. So here's how it plays out. Best chance for thunder overnight, early tomorrow morning, and then again tomorrow night. Still a chance of a passing shower or thunderstorm Wednesday and Thursday. I know I sound like a broken record, but then Friday and Saturday looking better, and only a slight chance of a shower next Sunday with temperatures in the upper 70s. Be careful, Newport, South Shore, reduced visibility. And if you're traveling late tonight, early tomorrow morning, that thunderstorm risk.
Be weather aware.
Yeah.
All right, Tony, thanks. Coming up tonight at 10 and 11.